A pleasant very good morning to my dear students. This is Bhargavi, your maths teacher. I hope you and your family all are fine. Stay home and stay safe. Again come back with the online classes. Now I have started the continuation classes chapter 2 linear equations in one variable. Exercise 2.2. Eighth problem. Up to 6 problems completed. Now start the eighth problem.
Eighth problem, the distance around a rectangular field is 400 meters. The length of the field is 26 meters. More than the breadth, calculate the length and breadth of the field. Did you understand, children? Question. The distance around the rectangular field is 400 meters. The length of the field is 26 meters more than the breadth. Calculate the length, breadth of the field and breadth of the field. Okay, children, listen here. Let the breadth of the rectangular field did not given, but I have to take a breadth is a x meters. Okay. So length L equal to x plus 26 meters by the problem, because here look here. The length of the field is 26 meters more than the breadth. What is the breadth here? You have to take the x. So length is the more than means adding. So x plus 26 meters. It is a length. So perimeter of the rectangular field. What is the perimeter of rectangular? Formula 2 into L plus B is equal to, by the problem, 400. So L plus B, it is a multiplication quantity. 2 into L plus B equal to 400. So L plus B equal to 400 by 2. 2 is 200 times are possible in 400. So L plus B equal to 200. So what is the L here? L is a length x plus 26 plus B is a breadth x. So equal to 200. X plus x equal to 2x plus 26 equal to 200. 2x equal to 200. It is here positive quantity is equal to inverse becomes a negative quantity. So 2x equal to 200 minus 26. 2x equal to 174. So x equal to 174 by 2. 87 times possible. Therefore x equal to 87 meters. What is the x here? What is the x here? Length. Breadth is 87 meters. What is the length here? L equal to x plus 26. What is the x? 87. 87 plus 26 equal to 13 meters. Did you understand? Then you find the question answer, length and breadth. What is the length here? 113 meters and breadth is 87 meters. Now continuation 10th problem. Two equal sides of a triangle are each 5 meters less than twice the third side. If the perimeter of the triangle is 55 meters, find the length of its sides. Okay children, look here, it is a triangle A, B, C. Here a first side AB, second side BC and third side X. So third side. So here given to the two equal sides of a triangle are each 5 meters less than twice and the third side. So here first I have to take a triangle in which the length of the third side is x meters. Okay. So twice the third side. Twice means 2 times. It is a 2x meters. It is a third side is 2x meters. Remaining two sides. The length of the remaining two equal sides less than 5 twice the third side because of 2x minus 5. So two sides are equal by the problem. Two equal sides. So AB is a 2x minus 5 and BC is a 2x minus 5. So here perimeter of a triangle is 55. It is a given by the problem. So here perimeter means AB plus BC plus CA. AB is a 2x minus 5 plus BC is a 2x minus 5 and CA is a x equal to 55. So 2x plus 2x, 4x, 4x plus x, 5x. So minus 5 and minus 5 minus 10 equal to 55. Next. So here 5x equal to 55 plus 10. Because of ETA here negative quantity is equal becomes to positive quantity. So 5x equal to 55 plus 10. So equal to 65. So here multiplication quantity becomes to divided by quantity. So x equal to 65 by 5. It is a 13 times of possible fifth table. So x equal to 13 meters. What is the x here? What we have to take the x here in this problem is x is a third side. We have to take the third side. Two equal sides. 2x minus 5 is the same side. 2 into substitute of x value. 2 into 13 minus 5. 13 2s are 26 minus 5 to 21 meters. The length of three sides of a triangle are 13 meters and 21 meters and 21 meters. Next 11th problem. Two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees. Find the angles. Okay, again repeat the 11th question. Two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees. Find the angles. Let one angle in two complementary angles x. Did not given the complementary angle, that I have to take the x. Let one angle in two complementary angles is x. Sum of the two complementary angles equal to 90 degrees. It is a complementary angles 90 degrees. So one angle plus second angle equal to 90 degrees. Two angles here. So one angle and first angle and second angle equal to 90 degrees. So here one angle I have to take the x plus the second angle equal to 90 degrees. So here a second angle equal to 90 degrees minus x. It is a positive quantity is equal to becomes to negative quantity. It is the second angle. It is a first angle. What is the first angle? I have to take the first angle is the x and the second angle is the 90 minus x. 90 degrees minus x. By the problem, the two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees. The two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees. So here difference means differ means minus. So x minus 90 degrees minus x equal to 12 degrees. So x minus with multiplication of bracket two terms. So minus 90 minus into minus plus x equal to 12 degrees. So plus x and plus x is a 2x minus 90 degrees equal to 12 degrees. So 2x equal to 12 degrees plus 90 degrees. Here a negative quantity is equal to becomes to positive quantity. 2x equal to 102 degrees. X equal to 102 by 2. Because of here multiplication of quantity becomes to negative divided by quantity. So here 51 times of possible on 102. Okay. So therefore angle, first angle equal to x equal to 51 degrees. Second angle 90 minus x, then substitute of x value 51 degrees, 90 minus 51. So here 39 degrees. Therefore angles are 51 degrees and 39 degrees. Okay children, next continuation 12th problem. The ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are in the ratio 5:7. The ages of Rahul and Lakshmi, the ratio is 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. Because of latter before, 4 years later, the sum of their age will be 56 years. What are their present ages? What will find them? So here find the present age of Rahul and Lakshmi. So here the ages of Rahul and Lakshmi equal to 5:7. 5:7. So let as ages of Rahul and Lakshmi. So then you have to take the ages. Present age is x. So Rahul and Lakshmi age is 5x and 7x. Here by the problem after 4 years, age is the 5x plus 4. After 4x, 5x plus 4 because of after 4 years later after. So 5x plus 4. At the same time Lakshmi age also. After 4 years, Lakshmi is equal to 7x plus 4. Okay. According to the problem, after 4 years, the sum of their ages is 56 years. Sum means addition. So 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equal to 56. It is a Rahul age and it is a Lakshmi age equal to 56. So 5x plus 7x equal to 12x. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. 12x plus 8 equal to 56. 12x equal to 56 minus 8. 56 minus 8. 12x equal to 48. So x equal to here multiplicative quantity becomes to divided by quantity. 12th table possible of 48 4 times. 12 4s are 48. Therefore x equal to 4. What is the x here? Present age. What is the x here? Present age. So therefore present age of Rahul equal to 5x. So 5 into 4. So 20 years. Present age of Lakshmi equal to 7x. 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28 years. Therefore present age of Rahul 20 years and present age of Lakshmi equal to 28 years. Okay children? Next continuation 13th problem. There are 180 multiple choice questions in a test. There are 180 multiple choice questions in a test. A candidate gets 4 marks for every correct answer. Every correct answer is 4 marks gets. And for every unattempted or wrongly answered questions, 1 mark is deducted from the total score of correct answers. If a candidate scored 450 marks in the test, how many questions did he answer correctly? How many questions did he answer correctly? Here, total number of questions equal to 180. How many questions will be there here? 180. Let the number of correct questions, did not given correct questions. So, let the number of correct questions equal to x. The number of marks obtained for correct answer, 4 into x. Every correct answer is 4 marks. So, 4 into x. X is a number of correct answers, 4x. So, number of questions attempted for wrongly answers equal to 180 minus x. Because of 180 is a total questions, minus x, it is the remaining wrong answers. Okay, 180 minus x. So, every wrong answer deducted 1 mark. 1 mark. Every wrong answer deducted by 1 mark. According to the problem. 4x minus 180 minus x equal to 450. So 4x minus 180 minus x. Minus 180 minus into minus plus x equal to 450. So 5x equal to 450 plus 180. 5x equal to 450 plus 180. 5x equal to here negative quantity becomes to positive quantity. 450 plus 180, 630. So 5x equal to 630. X equal to 630 by 5. 630 in possible of 126 times. So here x equal to 126. What is the x here? Number of questions attempt for the correct answers. Number of questions attempt for the correct answers. Then here what is asking here? In the test, how many questions did he answer correctly? How many questions correct? So here number of questions attempt for correct answers equal to 126. It is a 13th problem solution. Next continuation, 15th problem. A person spent 564 rupees in buying pens and pencils if the cost of each pen is 7 rupees and each pencil is 3 rupees. Okay, and if the total number of things bought was 108, how many of each type of did he buy? How many of each type of did he buy? Listen carefully. A person spent 564 rupees in buying pens and pencils. Okay. If a cost of each pen is the 7 rupees and each pencil is the 3 rupees. And if the total number of things brought was 108. How many of each type of he buy? Okay children. So first solution. Let the number of pens equal to x. The total number of things equal to 108. Total number of things is 108. It is pencils and pens. Therefore, the number of pencils equal to 108 minus x. It is not given to the things, how many things. pens and pencils. So the cost of pens equal to 7 into x, 7x rupees. The cost of pencils equal to 3 into, so each pencil is 3 rupees. So 3 into 108 minus x. Okay, 3 into 108 minus 3 into x, 324 minus 3x. It is the cost of pens and it is the cost of pencils. Total amount to buy pens and pencils equal to 564 rupees. So it is a total amount, pens and pencils. Pens 7x plus pencils 324 minus 3x equal to total amount is 564. 7x minus 3x. 7x, it is same variable is there, only single term 7x minus 3x plus 324 becomes to quantity becomes to positive quantity becomes to negative quantity. 564 minus 324. 7x minus 3x equal to 4x equal to 240. X equal to 240 by 4. So fourth table 240 is in 60 times possible. Therefore x equal to 60. So number of pens. So what do you have to take the number of pens? X. So number of pens equal to 60. Number of pencils 108 minus x. Number of pens 108 minus x. So 108 minus x equal to 108 minus 60. 48. So here number of pens is a 60 and number of pencils is a 48. Okay children. Next 16th problem. The perimeter of a school volleyball court is a 177 feet. FT means feet. The perimeter of a school volleyball court is a 177 feet. And the length is the twice of the width. Here not given to the width. So what we have to take the width? X. Length is the twice of width. So here what are the dimensions of the volleyball court? Or it means of dimension means length and breadth. Okay children. Let the breadth of the volleyball court is x feet. Let the breadth of the volleyball court is x feet. And the length equal to twice of the width. So here 2 into width is x. 2x feet. Okay. The perimeter of a court. So here already given to the, it is a volleyball court is which rectangular shape. Which shape is there? Rectangular shape. So the perimeter of a court equal to 177 feet. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B equal to 177. So here L is a length and B is a breadth. What is the length here? 2x. Breadth is a x. So 2 into 2x plus x is equal to 177. 2 2's are. So 2x plus x equal to 3. 3x. 2 3's are 6x 177. So x equal to 177 by 6. Therefore x equal to 29.5. What is the x? What we have to take the x? Let the breadth of. So x breadth is a 29.5 feet. And breadth. Length is a 2 into x. X means 29.5 here. So L length equal to 59 feet. Okay. Here find what we are find them. What are the dimensions of the volleyball court? Dimensions means length and breadth. Here length is a 59 feet and breadth is a 29.5 feet. Okay children. Next continuation. 17th problem. The sum of the page numbers on the facing Next 17th problem. The sum of the page numbers of on the facing page of book is 373. What are the page numbers? Number of first page of a opened book is x. Let the number is the x. Number of second page did not given here pages. Just you find them. Okay. Next page is the x plus 1. The sum of pages on the facing pages equal to 373. So the sum of the number of two pages equal to 373. Here the sum means addition. So x plus 1 equal to 373. So 2x plus 1 equal to 373. It is here x plus x 2x plus 1. So 2x equal to 373. Positive quantity becomes to negative quantity. So 2x equal to 373 minus 1. 2x equal to 372. Then it is possible of 2 table in 372. 186 times of possible in 2 table. Okay children, then substitute of x value. X plus 1 equal to 186 plus 1. So 187. Number of 2 consecutive pages equal to 186 and 187. It is a 17th problem solution completed. Children, did you understand? I hope to understood the problems. If you have any doubt, contact me. And I given the problems, homework problems, do and send to me. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you children.